Give me one. Oh. I feel like I could reach out and touch him. So I was meant to be having a day off filming today, just having a chill, but I wanted to show you the setting that we've come to. Dead cute little cafe featuring the fattest boy known to man. Here he is. I think he used up all his energy when he greeted us. Morning, gang. How we doing? I hope you're good, because I'm feeling good today. It's the third day in well, it's actually the fourth day in Samui, but we had a bit of a chill day yesterday. Oh look, it's me. I love watching myself in my spare time. I'm joking. I'm trying to get my view count up, which you guys should be doing for me, not the other way around. So make sure you like and subscribe and tell everyone about me, so I can get monetized, because that's what my goal is. But anyway, forget all that. Yeah, faithful filming day in Koh Samui. There's the same view. Today, we're going to do some cool stuff as well. We're going to go and do the Elephant Cafe, which is like a completely humane cafe with a viewpoint to overlook the elephants in their own natural habitat. There's no touching, no riding, nothing inhumane. It's like a 50-50 chance they're even there, but on that chance it'd still be good to go and see if they come up to you and want to interact. Obviously you're not supposed to touch them, but you can get a nice coffee and chill out there and blah blah. But yeah, we've got to see what today brings. There's also a Sunday market on in Lamai, which is like the main strip of the town where we are today. So yeah, plenty of options. Let's get straight into it anyway. Just currently waiting for a saver grab, because we can't afford the normal grabs, you know, too expensive. And we've got to go halfway around the island before we can get there. We've made it! Oh wow, there they are. We was kind of thinking, oh, they might not be even seeable today, but they clearly are. Swaddy crab.
Swaddy crab.
Swaddy crab. Hello. Come for a drink?
For cafe over there, this is for private.
Oh, right.
Feeding elephant.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. How do you come here? By motorbike or by taxi? Okay. Then you can walk in from here around 1 minute.
Okay.
You walk through that way. After that, at the gate, you turn left and you can find cafe.
Right,
Amazing.
okay, thank
you. So
you.
much.
Yeah, have a nice day.
You too. Bye bye. They were right bloody there. We just wanted to film them, man. But we've got to go to the cafe, which is further down, so I don't even know if we're going to be able to see them as clearly now. But oh well. They look stunning, don't you think?
Didn't get to see them.
I did wonder why we was getting like funny looks, to be honest. Fair enough. This is it. This is the one you see on online on TikTok. You all right? Oh wow. Cool, isn't it? Thank you. Wow. It's nice seeing them not chained up in carts and stuff for once, to be honest.
It's a baby.
Yeah. Very cute little spot this. It's actually free, but you just got to buy a drink.
Come over. Maybe a menu or something.
I think so. It's pretty surreal, to be honest. We've seen this since we was going to come to Koh Samui, and it's been on like the travel plans for a while. Just having a drink, look. The baby. They're quite crazy looking animals up close. So the elephants have gone over there, so now's a good time to go and check out this little cafe experience thing. Dead end. Looks actually quite large, to be honest. I don't really know what's here. Is that safe? I don't really want to check it out. Weird. Whoa, which path? This one. Wow. It's massive and there's no one here. God, I can just imagine all you influencer girls getting your tripods out and your shots done in somewhere like this. And don't even try and lie, I know you would. Hammocks. It's got sprayed with a mist. What the hell are these for? They're not even real rocks. There is actually like plenty of seating here, but most of it's away from the elephants, so I think that's why it's quite empty. It is huge, I must admit. What, a third one? Oh yeah. Oh, it's a baby, isn't it?
Yeah.
I've just had to use my phone camera to be able to see that, but I think Charlie's right, there is a tiny little baby in a pond over there, but I can't quite pick it up on this camera. Charlie also made a point earlier on when we stumbled upon the part where it was doing tours. Anything that isn't just observing elephants isn't really technically humane, is it? Ethical. So I wonder what kind of tours they're providing, because that goes against the full thing of it being an ethical cafe, really.
36, 78, 72.
Wow. They've just whacked up a decent tourist tax or some kind of tax on these drinks. What's nearly 500 baht? What's that?
£10.
£10. £10 for these drinks. Gentrification, mate. So the owners or the feeders brought them back over with a lot of food, because they like to just disappear once they've got a drink and all the food's gone.
I wonder what this is for.
Don't know. What's he doing? He's itching his trunk, isn't he?
Yeah. Look.
Uh-oh. Ah. He's like, yep, I'll have one of them. The way they grab him. Like, I'll take that. crushing it with his foot. And eating it. That's crazy. The trainer's just spotted some more coconut left over that he's forgot about.
Do you not want it?
They are like proper intelligent, majestic creatures. Nah, he just wants his other things to poke at. Off he goes. Is it? Wow. I feel like I could reach out and touch him. Very strange behaviour. Oh. The little baby's getting the milk of the mum. Yeah, it's got a wet trunk now. Yep, there he goes. Oh, that's beautiful. That is proper cool. It's actually really funny because in that clip I've just showed you, the elephants are stood right on top of where the workers were like digging a trench. So baby elephant walks up and they all have to get on the other side of the gate, and the mother elephant comes up to investigate, and they're just throwing soil, making a right mess of what the work they've been doing there, and they're all just kind of waiting to get back over the fence and carry on with the work, but the elephants just aren't letting them. They've been spraying them down as well to keep them cool. Just very funny to watch. They've just brought the dad over, completely different elephant.
It's like a little waterfall.
I think this is the mum and the dad. Obviously the big boy in the back is the dad, and this is the mum. The little baby's over here. He's got thermo.
Trying to go quicker. You missed all the food. Just got all the pellets. Look at it. Oh, look.
It's eager. Give me one. There he is. Chomp. And another. I bet they're fuming about that. Can't get the coconuts. Hey. Oh my god. And the dad's disappeared again. Right, that's it for the Elephant Cafe. So we've decided to call the vlog there because it's absolutely pissing it down, obviously.
Language.
And unfortunately that's it for the Thailand content. It's been a rush, to be fair. I've enjoyed every minute of it, to be honest. Just taking some time to chill out and watch the last sunset in Thailand. It's not all doom and gloom though, because after this we're actually flying to Singapore tomorrow. I'm dead excited for that. We're only doing 2 days just to explore as much as we can, as much free stuff as we can anyway, because it's expensive. And then the Malaysia saga starts. My plan for this quick little episode is to basically do us airport hopping from Koh Samui airport to Singapore, because they're actually meant to be a couple of the best airports in the world, never mind Southeast Asia. I'll show you all to come anyway, but apparently they're beautiful and they offer a lot of cool activities and stuff to do. So I'm just going to do a little quick vlog of us at both the airports and show you that, to be fair. Might as well. And then yeah, we'll just see what it brings here.